Really cool house today. We are in South Tulsa. Check this out. Full remodel. Really love the look on this. Now, it's built in 1978, so it has some really cool vibes that you just don't really get in some of the newer constructions in Oklahoma unless you pay a hell of a lot for it. So let's check out this house. Let me flip this around. So on the way up here, it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage, as you can see right here. Love the garden space. Whoever did it, landscaper, did an amazing job. And I love the skinny windows. It just gives you a really nice look. Now it is 2,774 square feet. Let's head on in here and check it out. So, right in the foyer, nice high ceilings. And then they have a full bath right here, which is great, as well as this bedroom. Now, the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs, but let me tell you, they are massive. So, wait to check those out. Really nice sized closet here. So, I mean, really, you could use this as your primary, but the one upstairs is like triple the size of this. So, this actually makes a really great mother-in-law or a guest bedroom. But nice and open. Great living space. Love the marble and the stone around there. The backyard's really cool. We'll check that out in a second. You have a wet bar right here. In your kitchen, nice white cabinets, granite counters. You've also got a gas range as well. Shaker cabinets. This one's shaker. The rest, I think, are probably the original, but the painters did a great job. I also like the backsplash. A little different. You have a nice patio over here. You have 2 patios. So right here you've got kind of a little off the kitchen. It would be really great to enjoy your coffee in the morning. Nice big shade trees. And it is fenced all the way around if you've got fur babies or even kids that you don't want to escape. And then you've got another side yard here. And you can be in it, it's fine. Well, Mike David, you're already in it. Around the side is a whole nother green space, but that's all that's over there, so I'm not gonna walk over there. But that door goes into the living room, which you saw a second ago. But again, really nice big shade trees, which is pretty awesome. And they also did fresh sod, all that. So you saw that, like I should like zoom in on you now. So we'll come back around here. And that door just goes into the garage, which we can check out right now. So you've got your washer and dryer hookups. And then over here is that 2-car. There's that door you just saw. You have some built-ins in here. Pretty nice. And you have attic storage as well. Well, let's head around. You do have pantry right here. I don't know where the light switch is, but lots of shelving space in there. And now let's go upstairs and check it out. Real quick before we go upstairs, if you're not familiar with the area, we're in South Tulsa, so you're pretty much close to everything. Now, if you're not from Tulsa, the commute time's very minimal. You can get to everything from food shopping, groceries, medical, anything and everything you could possibly need within 10 minutes from this location. So very, very convenient. But if you're new here, my name is Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities. So if you're thinking of making a move to the greater Tulsa area, hey, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. But on the channel, I share home tours like this, as well as local content about the area. So if you're into any of that, you should definitely like and subscribe. But with that, let's go check out the rest of this house. Coat closet right there. Wait till you see the size of this master bedroom. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely massive. Check it out, check it out. What? This was a huge room. I mean, like, absolutely massive. And I think they did a great job remodeling the bathroom. I like the black. Nice jetted tub. Linen storage over the toilet. Great modern fixtures here. I actually like the flat cabinets. Gives it a nice clean look. And really cool quartz counter, it looks like. Pretty great. Over here, shower. I like the built-in. You have a nice little bench there, or a shelf. I like how these almost make little flowers. Kind of different. A little busy, but I think it kind of works. Nice rainfall shower head with the wand. And then over here you have an absolutely massive closet. Lots of space. And you even have this bonus space that they finished out. That was probably attic at one point. So massive closet. We'll head over here. Check out the other bedrooms. Again, equally large, not as large, but this is a very big bedroom. It has a really good sized closet. Love that. And we'll head around. They share this bath right here, which is nice. And here's that other bedroom. And it also has a nice big closet. Love all the windows in here too, so there's lots of natural light in this house. And you also have an attic fan, which is really cool. So, it's not too shabby. Let me know what you think about this house in the comments. I don't think I mentioned the price. It's currently offered at $385,000 at the time of this video, which based on comps in the area, I think is a very fair asking price. I mean, homes in this neighborhood, some of them are going for over $400,000. So, practically a brand new house in a great neighborhood, and it has lots of character, which is something I think is probably most important, at least in my opinion, when I'm shopping for houses. So if you'd like more information, reach out to me. I'll put a link to all the photos and stuff in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.